I chose the Basement Doctor over the other quote that I got because I felt that the Basement Doctor's proposal covered everything that I needed. When I met with the other company, I didn't get the sense that, I got the sense that they knew somewhat what they were doing, but I also got the sense that it wasn't personalized to my house. It was just what they do for everybody else. And they were going to do what they do at every other home, whether that completely solved my issues or not. And I didn't like that about them. And I won't say they harassed me, they didn't harass me, but they called me after the thing. They probably called me every day, every other day, sometimes twice a day. I mean, I have caller ID, I didn't pick up, but oh my God, they just annoyed the heck out of me. I would recommend the Basement Doctor for a few reasons. One, their integrity. I think they stand by their work. You know, from the first job that I had done with them, they follow up with you. They're very customer focused. They want to do the job in the way that the customer wants it done, realizing that they're the experts and they know what will work and what won't work, but they involve the customer in every part of the process. Their pricing is great. They're very knowledgeable, from their salespeople to their foreman to the crew that works on them. Very personable people, very friendly. It's easy to make connections with them, and they do great work. You know, when I look at everything now, I think I don't know that anybody could have done anything better than they did. It was everything I hoped for and more. It's that peace of mind that you get when you know the job's done well and it's done right.